a little loud in here. We're going to quiet things down a bit and talk a little bit about reading. As Jamaica celebrates Read Across Jamaica Day, we are highlighting young literacy champions who are sharing their love for reading through their favorite books. Joining us now, the 2025 National Reading Champions, Mia-Isabel Walker, 68 champion. Mia, hold up your hand. And then we've got Ladonia Rowe, who's a 9 to 11 National Reading Champion. And beside her, we've got Kristen Lewis, who's a 12 to 14 National Reading Champion. They've got their books this morning and I'm going to read excerpts for us. But first, I want to chat with you guys a little bit. Good morning. Welcome to Smile. You're used to TV. You've been here before. Soup. All good. Let me start by finding out what you love about reading. Mia, let me start with you.
I like how when I open a fantasy or a non-fiction book, it's always fun to read it. Even when I'm a bit not sketchy about a book, in the end it always turns out good, where I get to explore and imagine things.
Yeah, what is your favorite type of book to read?
Well, I guess it's a fantasy book. I like the animated fantasy books where it's fun to read to me.
Yeah. Escape and your imagination is engaged.
Yes.
Takes you to faraway places and you see interesting things. What about you, Ladonia?
Well, reading is like a place where I get to just dive into a world of imagination and just put my thoughts into it, how the story could have went and stuff. And, non-fiction, it's really interesting. And then you have the factual books. I have like a big 100 facts book and I read it like every day.
Share one fact with Auntie. One fact. Did you know that?
Did you know that the sun is like 10,000 billion meters away from the sky? Yes.
10,000 billion meters?
Yes, it's very far. And to imagine if you look on it on a telescope or anything of that sort, it can be really big and it's not actually yellow.
Yeah, it's not actually yellow. What color is it?
More of like a reddish.
Orangish. Oh, I knew that. 10,000 billion meters.
Well, don't get me right.
Don't quote you. It's far though. Far. Unless you ask a Jamaican taxi man, you get there in no time flat. All right, Kristen, what about you? What do you love about reading?
Reading for me is an escape from reality. It allows me to explore different themes. When I read, I immerse myself in different worlds. I travel to places I could not have traveled to in real life. I actually prefer reading things rather than watching because it allows me to use my imagination to, interpret how I want to interpret.
People who love to read often love to travel because your views of the world are so expanded. So do you all want to travel?
Yes.
Yeah. But Kristen, you're what, 12 to 14? You're actually how old?
I'm 15.
Bel Air, you're at Bel Air.
High School.
Are you the exception in your friend group or are you the rule? Is everybody reading?
Everybody's smart.
Yeah, but are they reading books? Because some of us have this notion that books are dying and it's all about the tablets and social media. And do you guys read Kindle too or you want the physical book?
The physical. I get easily distracted. I can't use the
Kindle.
And the phone gets you overstimulated.
Yes,
Look at this. The phone gets you what, Ladonia?
Overstimulated.
It damages your eyesight and it causes you nearsighted. It's just very bad for you.
Tell me about it. Yes, go ahead.
My mother would say no tablet for 5 days on a school day. I used to get it in grade 3 and when my brother was in basic school. But mother changed the rules that no tablet for 5 days, only on a Friday and a Saturday because then she would be saving our eyes. Well, that lead to mainly have to be reading or finding ourselves to do other stuff.
Gotcha. But reading can also be bad for your eyes, no?
I can.
Yes.
If you guys read a lot of the books, you're going to end up like Ladonia and myself with the glasses. All right, so tell me about your favorite books now. Cendrillon is yours. Tell me about it, Mia.
It's my favorite book. It's about a girl named Cendrillon born on a French Caribbean island. When she was very young, her mother died.
Oh.
Luckily, she had a godmother. One day, there was a ball that she could not attend. And she was very sad. But her godmother had a magical wand to help her.
This sounds like a familiar story. Sounds like the Caribbean version of
Cinderella.
Yes.
Got it. Did she get a slippers of glass or did she get like a leather slipper?
It is a pink slippers like mine, embroidered with roses.
Gotcha. All right, lads, what was yours?
So mine was Frindle. Wait, I have to keep my hand in there. So Frindle is about a boy named Nick Allen. And he's hard to explain. Like, he's not a troublemaker, but he's not good at the same time.
He's a complex character.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much so. And he's very innovative and creative. You know, one time he even turned the classroom into like a beach setting with the sand and the palm trees and stuff. But the main thing is that one day he was learning in school, right? And his language teacher was teaching him about the creation of words, how words are stimulated from how people feel and what they express. And Nick decided to create his own word. And he decided to call a pen Frindle. And then it became this viral trend, like the trends nowadays. And, you know, it really got him into some trouble.
Oh my God.
Because with every curiosity kills the cat.
Well, me don't know. Me have one cat and I'm very curious and he's still alive. Always wondered which cat they've interviewed to find out about that. All right, so we have to read Central and we have to read Frindle and we have to read Hope.
Ghost.
Oh, Ghost. You come with a dopey story. Kristen, tell me about it quickly. We have 30 seconds.
Okay, so Ghost is about a young boy. He's a troubled teen. His name is Casa Cranshaw. He was traumatized as a kid because his father shot at him and his mother, so that stuck with him. He's very angry and hurt. He has a lot of emotions he does not know how to deal with, which results in him taking it out on people who don't deserve it, right? He doesn't have a strong parental figure in his life. His mom is in his life, but she has to work and make money because she's a single parent because the father is in jail. Father is in jail, mother is always working, so he's left by himself to deal with everything. But he met
many young people.
Yes, that's why I like it. He came across a track team one day and he decided to join because the coach saw his potential, and over time he grew bond with the team members, with the coach. The coach became a father figure to him because in some way he could relate to what Ghost was going through because he went through the same thing when he was a child.
Pick up in now. Don't tell us the rest of the story.
Okay.
Jason Reynolds wrote Ghost, so we can check out Ghost. Frindle is written by Andrew Clements and Central on by Robert D. Sansusi and illustrated by Brian Pinckney. Guys, read the books. The kids are saying reading is still alive and well.
Right.
I know we see a lot of them on their tablets, but these guys want the physical books. Encourage your child to read. It really broadens their horizons. We wanted to hear them read this morning, but we're out of time. But thank you for sharing your love for reading, favorite books, and for telling us all about them, and we'll go and do the rest on our own, right? Okay. That's our homework, guys. They've given us books to read. Go read them! Right. 2025 National Reading Champions, Mia-Isabel Walker, Ladonia Rowe, and Kristen Lewis. Keep reading, guys, and congrats to you. Up next, what's up next, guys? Up next, the Incorporated Master Builders Association of Jamaica, IMAJ, they're calling on the government to implement policies to strengthen local contractors and the construction sector. We have that on the other side of this.